All right, I want to talk about this because most people just don't understand what facilities are like, that let's improve the conditions or people shouldn't work there. So one, in food, anything perishable, it has to be cold, right? In order for it to pass USDA standards, it has to be cold, and it will go bad if we're working in room temperature and it's warm. So it is just cold in most of these facilities for anything that is perishable. But physically, it is taxing. And when I say Americans don't want these jobs, I went to a pork slaughter facility in Indiana. I watched an individual pick up a 45-pound pork loin off of hooks and put it into a brine. Did it over and over and over again for 2 to 3 hours before they moved to a different station. And they moved to different stations because of injury and muscle fatigue. But imagine going to a gym and moving a 45-pound weight over and over and over again repeatedly for 3 hours, and then coming back to the gym and doing it all over again. It is hard work. It's also gross work in a lot of these plants. The third shift sanitation, which again, almost all immigrants, they're sweeping up blood. They're sweeping up blood and body parts from the animals. It is not easy work. And so companies would love to automate, but you know what automation is going to do? It's going to drive the food prices up for you. So if we want to keep food relatively affordable, these are the jobs that we need these individuals for. And I promise you, Americans are not applying for these jobs and showing up for these jobs, period.